Hey everybody, I'm Mitch with Long Island Digital, and this webinar video is going to be a simple guide into how to use the dashboard on a daily basis or whenever you log in. First of all, if you're part of a group that owns multiple companies, and I do have a few different types of people that need access to multiple companies, what you're going to want to do is once we have you fully set up in the dashboard, you're going to go over here to the right on top where it says Search Project. And once you click there, you will see a breakdown of all the different companies that you have access to. So for this purpose, let's just click on the first one. And like I mentioned, if you have multiple, you're going to toggle back and forth to whatever you want to see. But this dashboard review today is going to be a very simple view on how to make the most of your dashboard experience. So up over here on the left-hand side, this is where you're going to navigate and toggle through the dashboard. So for instance, let's say you have SEO. You're going to roll over here, hover over, go to the right and scroll down to keyword ranking. You're going to be able to see ranking of primary keywords. You're going to be able to see rankings of secondary keywords if your account has those, and an additional secondary keywords. And you're also going to see if you have access to Bing, keywords in Bing. You're going to see Google Search Console if it's hooked up, and Google Maps. In this case, we do not have those hooked up. Over here, the one below it is your digital reputation for those that signed up with a particular reputation service, mainly name, address, phone number. We make sure those are accurate and that you're getting visibility. This is the tab where you're going to find that. Just below it are the Reports tab. Now keep in mind, we automate these reports. They will go out to you on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, whatever you like. And if those emails start to become an annoyance for you, please let us know. Email us, contact@longislanddigital.com, and we will remove them. And you could just log in and take a look whenever you want. But anytime we have a new report, as you can see here, an SEO weekly report, we have all different kinds of reports going from monthly to specifics. If you're subscribed to the paid, we're going to have paid management reports, Facebook management reports. All of that will be under your Reportings tab. Just below it, you have access to Google Analytics, Google Business Profile, and these really only specifically if we're using those services. But most people are just going to really toggle between the business profile and the analytics. Analytics lets you log into your Google properties and view some important data without actually having to leave our dashboard. And that's the beauty of this. We can see organic traffic, paid traffic, referral, new versus return visitors. And this is kind of an overview on what's going on, the state of your business as we know it, top cities, landing pages. So that's one area. Now, if you want to go to the Google Business Profile, you will have access to respond to reviews. You will have access to upload photos to your Google My Business page. You will have access to Google Local Post, where you can make a post about your business if you're running a particular promotion. All of that is available through the dashboard. The social dashboard will have social dashboard. We can run a feed where you can simply post to your Facebook wall or Instagram wall. You can schedule it days or weeks in advance. And publishing over here is where you want to go for that. If you're doing paid search, we will have your Facebook ads. You will be able to see reports on how the ads are doing. You will be able to see conversion data. Everything is within this dashboard. And finally, these last two tabs, one of them is for lead tracking if you're a lead generation client, and the other one is for pay-per-click, Google pay-per-click management. So we can see from here, this is how the Facebook dashboard looks. We have a full view into the link clicks, the impressions, the click-through rate, total spend. Everything is over here, including the ads. And that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Contact@longislanddigital.com. We appreciate you. Thanks so much.